Saluden, equipo.
El business de mis padres, que empiezan en 1900, ¿cómo se dice? 94.
Sí.
¿Está bien? Sí. El año que yo nací. Sí, es lo mismo. Bueno, mis padres le empezaron con mucho craziness, locura así, y porque a ellos les gustan los animales y el queso también. Y primero empecé con el queso solamente. Y tenemos uno de los quesos que son más famosos en Quebec. Hace un rato, hace 20 años, no hay muchos quesos en Quebec. Fuimos como los primeros en the craft business. And so we kind of named the brand after the most famous cheese afterwards. So now we have a total of 7 cheeses. So yeah, we have cow's milk. We don't own the cows here, but we buy the cows from the neighbors. We buy the milk from the neighbors. We have the sheep, so ovejas. We have about 200 sheep here and about 200 sheep across the street in the blue roof top. The blue roof barn over there. Yeah. So a few of them are there, a few of them are here. So they're all happy. They're in the pasture here. They can eat the grass and stuff. So in the summertime, we like them to have, their space and just chill. They give a little bit less milk, so we put them there so they're happy and stuff. And when it's wintertime, we put them in the red barn that's over there. So that's where we milk the sheep, and the pipes that you see up there, that's basically the way that we transport the milk. So it could not be, more fresh. It's the freshest milk in town, I guess. And so yeah, we started the business 24 years ago only with the cheeses. Then a few years afterwards, we started having the sheep, and then we started growing grapevines, which you can see on top of the hill over there. So we have a total of 18,000 grapevines now, all in organic production. So we're trying to diversify, I guess, the production, because we love cheese, but we also love agriculture in general. So it's just very fun for us to just try new things. And yeah, it's all business, but at the same time we want to have fun. We want to be creative. We want to, it's all part of the same DNA, I guess. So it's all similar. When I see the sheep eating the grass, because it's a great lawn mower. It's like the best you can ever have, because they eat so much grass. It's amazing. And they eat the same grass as the earth in which the grapevines grow. So I mean, to me, this is terroir, And so yeah, and the partnership that we created last year with the Faux Bergers. So falso, el pastor falso. You're gonna see their approach. It's very organic. And they don't use always meat. They use vegetables. They use fish. They use seafoods, and yeah, they have a very great approach. And there are two of the best chefs in Quebec. So yeah, and I'm not the only one saying that. So.